Yesterday we were struck by a thunderbolt. All of a sudden the prosecution stood up and said, we have 8 articles of impeachment, but we are no longer presenting or withdrawing at least 5 of those articles, leaving us with only 3 articles of impeachment. In my entire career as an RTC judge of Quezon City, I have never seen a lawyer in a civil case, which is in this instance parallel to the impeachment trial, withdraw any cause of action that he told the court he would present evidence on. That has never been done. Manalo na kami. Meron na kaming proof and reasonable doubt. Good grief. That is an contempt of court. Ang yayabang ng mga nagsasalita ng ganyan. Oh my goodness. Is a ground for contempt of court. Una sabi nyo, malakas ebidensya namin kasi 8 ang krimen niya. 8 ang articles of impeachment namin. Bilangin mo, 8 yan. Pagkatapos ngayon, 2 buwan pala, wala na. 3 na lang sa 5. Kasi tama na yun, panalo na kami. Wow! I request the Secretariat should record in our journal that I said,
Bumubula na sa galit ang bibig ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago sa simula pa lang ng Day 26 ng impeachment trial ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Hindi raw kasi ayat tama nang basta-basta na lang bawiin ng prosekusyon ang 5 sa 8 original na articles of impeachment.
Referring to the prosecution as baka naman po pwedeng matanggal yun dahil baka hindi naman po maganda sa posterity natin na nababasa po yun na natawag po kami na
objection, Mr. President.
Strike the term Gaia from the record.
Habang nagtatalumpati si Santiago, nakuda ng mga kamera ang private prosecutor na si Atty. Vitaliano Aguirre na nagtatakip at minsan nagpapagpag pa ng tenga.
So,
Ang tagbong ito na ulit pa na magsalita sa ikalawang pagkakataon ng senadora.
what all this means is that after it makes its formal offer of evidence, the prosecution will then lie down in front of that first table, face down on the floor, and assume a planking position. Kung madilim na madilim ang utak mo, your neurons are not working. You're flatline. Meaning to say, di ba, kung buhay pang pasyente, jump up and down ng kanyang recording instrument, pero kung namatay na, nag-flatline na, yan ang nangyari sa inyo, nagpa-flatline na kayo.
Ang ginawang ito ni Aguirre, di pinalampas ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada.
Mulat sa pool, nung tumayo si Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago, hanggang natapos Senadora Santiago, ay nakalagay po ang inyong kamay sa inyong tenga. At para bagang ayaw niyo siya pakinggan. Yan po ay isang kapastusan dito po sa isang miyembro ng hukom na ito.
Alam po, totoo po yun. Sapagkat nasasaktan na yung tainga ko.
I charge this private prosecutor with complaint of this impeachment court. I have the evidence right here, taken in a video by Senator Alan Cayetano. And to say, nasasaktan ng tenga ko should have been cause for you to walk out of this courtroom with permission of the court. But you cannot make those contemptuous gestures in front of a judge and get away with it. Kasi salungat sa gusto mo, kaya ayaw mo pakinggan. Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, di umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako kaya lang...
Granted! If that is in the formal motion, go ahead! Nanahamon ka!
Aalis na po.
Hindi mo ako nakaupo Gaganyan ka sa akin.
May I suggest that
And it's on video.
Kung nakasakit po yung isang aktasyon ko po, I really did it purposely. Because ito naman po na talagang shrill ang voice na nasasaktan ng tenga ko eh. Ang pinaka-importante po sa isang tao ay respeto. Ang nagdidiman, kung nagdidiman ka ng respeto, dapat respetuhin mo itong mga
Mr.
bukadong ito. Habang sapagkat yung human dignity, wala pong kasing, wala pong
Now
katulad
is
yan.
that training.
Ryan suspended for several minutes.
Isipan muna natin ito because we're talking about the entire nation. This is not a question of pataasan ng ihi. This is not a question of pataasan ng ihi.
It's not a contest of you read.
This is not a question of pataasan ng ihi.
It's not a contest of you read.
I repeat, what on earth were you thinking? I repeat, what on earth were you thinking?
And meanwhile in the universe, some guy challenges the word bus in Scrabble. Bus, bus, bus.
Isip-isip naman kayo, nakaka-insulto. You're an insult to the intelligence of educated Filipino.
What did you say?
You're an insult to the intelligence of educated Filipino.
What?
Isip-isip naman kayo, nakaka-insulto. You're an insult to the intelligence of educated Filipino.
What?
Isip-isip naman kayo, nakaka-insulto. You're an insult to the intelligence of educated Filipino.
Yes, of course.